Hello, everybody. So I'm going to be going over trending tickers right now. Right now, it is Wish, AMC, TILRAY, Ride, and XAIR. Never heard of that one. So we're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at the news, and we're going to see are these going to continue running so that you guys know whether to get in them or not. The first one is Wish. So let's do that. I'm going to try to go fast because since it's a lot of tickers and I don't want to waste your time. So there was a buying opportunity here. Shorting opportunity, buying opportunity, shorting opportunity. So as you can see, these indicators work pretty well for Wish for day trading. Shorting, buying. Okay, awesome. Good to know. Next up. So right now, it looks like it's crossing down, and I don't like that the linear regression line is downtrending, as you can see, and it crossed EMAs, so I think it could go all the way down to 5.3. I would not be interested in Wish short term. Let's look long term. Long term still looks. It looks like it's kind of reaching its bottom though. Maybe it'll like. Maybe it's kind of safe to buy around here, and then see a gap up. MACD says that that's very possible. That right here we could start seeing a gap up because it's on that 30 RSI, which is normally a pretty good time to buy. So short term, I would give it a little bit, see if I could try to get at this bottom because it might pop up. But like to 5.6, I don't think it's totally worth it, but it's up to you, your choice. Our daily, again, this kind of looks like it's bottom. It doesn't seem like it wants to go any lower than this. So we might start seeing a gap up. Again, short term, still see that it could go down a little bit more, so try to get it at a good deal. Maybe at the, what number do I want to get it at? Maybe at 5.3. And if you wanted to buy and hold, it could be one to consider for a little bit of a run up. Next one I'm going to look at is AMC. AMC is fun. Okay. Buying opportunity, yeah, I bet. Today it ran up super high. We caught it at $34-ish, and it ran all the way to 41. So if you were in the Discord, you were having a great day today. Shorting, ooh, it's been having a rough one. Sometimes it doesn't do too well during certain periods. Does pretty good with the shorting. And it looks like it's about to gap up on the 5-minute chart. It's about to do the cross on the 50, 200 MA. It's an upward trend. If it bounces from here, I could see it continue running. So let's see long term. What are we seeing? I don't like that doji. No, but it's on the hourly. It's not that big a deal. So these are our previous alerts. Only 2 out of 15 were wrong. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. It's still not giving me the buy signal on the hourly. So, that's interesting. Yeah, because it hasn't crossed. So we're going to see if it does. I think that big run up was a little bit unexpected. So we're going to see if tomorrow it continues to have support, or people are going to buy it, or it's kind of at the top of the linear regression line. It could tank right here. So we're going to see. I would be cautious with AMC tomorrow. Let's see on the hour, on the daily. That makes it really hard to see. It does look like it could this be a double bottom? 31, what did it hit? 33, maybe. It could continue going. We're gonna see. This could be its bottom. And then it could start making its upward trend back to $52. And then the next one is TILRAY. TILRAY, it hasn't given a buying signal, so it's still not like out of a dark place. In fact, it says shorting, but I do think it's about to cross up. I do think it's about to start giving the buying opportunity signal. Let's see. Let's see the 5-minute. Does this one move much? Because I'm surprised that there's only like a few candles. Shorting was right. Buying. Ooh, it had like a weird blip here. I didn't know. Okay, then it gave the buying signal and it did go up. It looks like it's getting rejected here and it might go back down to 11. If you're interested in buying it, I would try to get it at 11. But let's see. Yeah, try to get at 11. It looks like that might be a nice stop zone. But if it goes to, it could also go to 10.6. Let's see. It failed to cross up. It was trying. It might still try again tomorrow. If it does cross up, then I do think it could go to $12. So if we see it kind of go to like, I don't know, 11.5, I can see it going to 12. But if it gets rejected tomorrow, it's going to go down to 10.6. And I don't think you should hold to that. Then the next one is Ride. Ride, I know my indicators don't do well with Ride. Probably shouldn't say that, but I try to be an honest person. It did say buy here, but look how wonky she is. But it's been an upward trend, so that's good because it had a major dip, if I recall correctly. Yeah, it used to be a lot higher. It used to be 13. I thought it was like, yeah, it used to be like 30. Yeah, and it's doji and the top of the linear regression line. I would not take this bet anytime soon. I would be concerned that it's about to go, that it's meeting its top. If it does start breaking up, if you start seeing it like $8, $9, $10, let's see, do I even want to say $8? 9. Let's say 9, and this thing starts moving upward, it could fill all the way up to $15. So I wouldn't take it right now. I would want to see that it's going to continue its move because this doji scares me. This means that it tried and failed today to continue the move. So, and this is on the daily chart. So this would be a long-term hold if you're interested in it. I know a lot, and it had a cult following before. And then the final one we're going to is XAIR. Bam. Oh, okay. It's still on an upward trend. So I said to buy it at $6, and right now it's, yeah, they were right. It's at 12. Kind of wish I got in this. But this is on the daily chart. Let's look at the hourly. It says shorting. I would consider buying. I know it hasn't given the buy signal, but it's at the bottom of its linear regression line on the hourly. Unless it has had a history of tanking worse. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I'd consider buying it at around $10. Because it looks like it might start crossing up, and I would consider buying and holding this one. I'd rather just wait for the buy signal, but this one doesn't look always accurate either. Like here it was not. So we'll see. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, it was right, $11 right now. Barely right. 8 cents. I don't know if you really care for that. It was right with the shorting. I tried with the buying. This one's wonky. It's probably a low float. I'm looking at this one, and it might start crossing up. And if it does, if you see it go over 11.50 and hold, I would consider swinging this to see if it gets all the way up to 12. Is that worth it? I don't know. I guess to somebody it is. The 12.50, it doesn't seem like it has like a history of jumping that much. It's probably a penny stock. Let's see. What would be my goal here? Ah, come back. Okay. I don't like that daily, but it looks like it might be trying to scoop up. If it rejects, this is, okay, so this looks like it's bottom. According to me, according to Mama Bear, we might actually start seeing it cross up. Because normally when I see two of the same size, this was its bottom, and it's going to go up. So I would try to get it at 10.70 or just a little under 11 to try to gap up to that $12, $13 range. So that would be my goal if you're into XAIR. So I hope this helps, and I hope I didn't talk too much. 11 minutes. All right, I tried. See you later, alligators. Bye-bye.